Make sure to see the description below this video, because you'll find free exercises for this lesson there.
Tomar el pelo.
Literally, to take the hair, basically means to pull someone's leg. For example,
¿Me estás tomando el pelo?
are you pulling my leg?
Es pan comido.
Literally, it's eaten bread. Basically means, it's a piece of cake. For example,
El examen es pan comido.
the test is a piece of cake.
Media naranja.
Literally, half orange. Means your other half romantically, somewhat similar to the expression your better half. For example,
Estoy buscando a mi media naranja.
I'm looking for my other half.
Andar con pies de plomo.
Literally, to walk with lead feet, means proceed with caution, or tread carefully. For example,
Anda con pies de plomo con ellos.
tread carefully with them.
Ahogarse en un vaso de agua.
Literally, to drown in a glass of water, means to worry excessively about small things, like making a mountain out of a molehill. For example,
No te preocupes demasiado, no te ahogues en un vaso de agua.
don't worry too much, don't make a mountain out of a molehill. We're sure that you, just like many other Spanish enthusiasts, appreciated this video. Motivate us to give you more, first with a thumbs up, and second by subscribing right now. Check out the other valuable resources in the description below this video, because we're convinced that they'll benefit you too. We may receive a commission if you click on the links there, with no additional cost to you. Thanks for joining us, and until the next time, take care.